Most creators know they should have a blog, but writing one feels time consuming and complicated. Now imagine this. You take an idea, a video script, or even a rough thought, and within 2 minutes it turns into a clean, ready to publish blog post. In this video, I will show you how to create a blog in minutes, even if you are a YouTuber, coach, or Instagram creator with no writing experience. Now let's focus on my screen to see exactly how this works. At first, let me create a blog to show you how this is done. For that, I will open my Google Sheet, and you can see this is the sheet where I just have to post this topic, raw content, tone, and target audience. After that, automatically a blog will get posted on this particular account. So now first of all, I will enter my topic as this: how to build a personal brand online. In here, I will enter this raw content. After that, I will also enter my tone as simple, practical, and motivational. And then for this target audience, I will enter this particular text: creators, freelancers, and coaches. Now I will open my blogger post. I will refresh this particular page, and then you will see that automatically a blog will get posted here. And here you can see this particular blog, how to build a personal brand online, a simple guide for creators, freelancer, and coaches, has been published successfully on my blogger application. So this was just the demo that how after watching this complete video, you will be able to create such blog post by yourself. And to create this amazing automation, I have took help of an amazing software named as Pabbly Connect, with the help of which you can integrate multiple applications to automate your tasks. Now to access this Pabbly Connect, you just have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/connect, and by pressing this enter key you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Connect. In here you can see you have got these two different options: sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Connect, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And by creating your free account, you will be able to get 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. And if you are an existing user like me, then you have to click on this sign in button. This will get you directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But to create a workflow, you have to click on this access now button inside this Pabbly Connects box. After that, you will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and inside this dashboard, to start creating your workflow, you have to click on this button plus create workflow given on the right side here. Then you have to select among these two workflow builders. First one is this new beta version, and the other one is classic version. Both of these are amazing workflow builders. You can select any one of them as per your preference, but I will select this particular beta version because I am more comfortable with this version. And inside this dialog box, we have to give a meaningful name to our workflow. So I will name my workflow as this create blog posts with AI. Then from the second drop down, you have to select the folder in which you want to save your workflow. So I will select this particular working folder, and after selecting your folder, you have to click on this create button, and then this trigger button will get visible to you. And in here we have to select those applications which we want to integrate with each other. So first of all, we have to select a trigger application with the help of which we want to trigger our workflow. So for my first application, as I want to select Google Sheet, that's why I will click on this plus button. And in here you can see you can also search for the name of your application, but this Google Sheet is visible right here, so I will select it from here. Then for this application event, I will select this new or updated spreadsheet row because I want my workflow to get triggered whenever a new row gets added in my Google Sheet. Now to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this connect button. Then you will receive this webhook URL, so you just have to copy this webhook URL from here and follow the steps given here. But to save our time, I will show you directly. For that, you just have to go inside your Google Sheet application, and in here you have to click on this extensions. After that, first of all, you have to click on this get ons, then on this get add-ons. Then when you are inside this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for Pabbly Connect. So when you will search for this Pabbly Connect, then you will see that here this Pabbly Connect webhook will get visible to us. So first of all, you have to install this Pabbly Connect webhook inside your system, and then when you will cut this from here, after that go back again on this extensions, and then you can see this Pabbly Connect webhook will be visible to you. So from here you have to click on this initial setup. Then inside this new box, you have to enter this webhook URL and trigger column. So for this webhook URL, I will paste the webhook URL that I have copied from my Pabbly Connect account, and this trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent to the webhook URL. So as my final column is this D, so here I have entered this D. Now I will click on this send test request button, then automatically the first row of this particular sheet will get sent to my Pabbly Connect account, and after that I have to click on this submit button. Then I will cut this initial step from here. After that I will again click on this extensions. From this Pabbly Connect webhook I will click on this send on event button, so that whenever a new row gets added on my Google Sheet, automatically that data will get sent to my Pabbly Connect account. So now in here I will add one more row to send a data to my Pabbly Connect account. First of all, for this topic I will enter this how to stay consistent with content creation. Then for this raw content, here also I will enter my raw content. After that, inside this tone I will enter the tone as encouraging, realistic and actionable. Then at last, for this target audience I will enter this YouTuber, Instagram creators and solopreneurs. Then I will open my Pabbly Connect account, and you will see that in here when I will refresh this particular responses, here I have received a new responses, and these are the exact same details that I have added in my Google Sheet. This means that my trigger step is working all fine. Now as I want to automatically generate title and content of my blog post, so for that I will take help of OpenAI. This means that I will add OpenAI as my next action application, and to add action application you just have to click on this plus button. Then from here you have to search for your action application. So here I have entered the name of my action application and I have selected it from here. Now for this application event, as I want to generate a text response, that's why I will select this generate response using text input. Now to connect this OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this connect button. Then you will get these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So from here, if you want to create a connection for the first time, then you have to go with this add new connection. But if you have already established your connection, then you can go with this select existing connection. So I will go with this add new connection, and in here we have to enter a token. So to get this token, first of all you have to buy a paid subscription of OpenAI, and then you have to click on this hyperlink given here. So I will click on this hyperlink, and inside this particular page, when you will log into your OpenAI platform, then you have to click on this create new secret key button. Then when you will click on this create secret key button, you will see that your secret key has been generated successfully. Now you can just have to copy this secret key from here and paste it inside this token box like this, and then press this save button. Then you will see that your connection will get created successfully. And in here we just have to enter this model and prompt. So first of all, for this model, as I want to use this ChatGPT 5, so I will search for this GPT-5 and I will select it from here. Now here I will enter the prompt with the help of which I want to generate title and content of my blog post. Here I have entered the static part of my prompt. Now to make this prompt more blog specific, I will map some of the details like topic, target audience, tone and raw content. So in here, first of all, I will map the topic. So to map data, you just have to click on this here. Then you will see that all the responses of your previous step will get visible on this drop down. So from here, as we have to map this topic, so I will click on this topic, and here our topic is mapped successfully. Now for this target audience, I will click on this target audience, and then for this tone, I will select the tone. After that, for this raw content, I will also map it from here. And with this, I have successfully entered my prompt. Now I have added these following details by mapping, because by mapping I have made this prompt dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, Pabbly Connect will automatically update these old data with the new captured data. But if I will type down these details manually, then these details will remain static and it will not change unless you manually change it. So that's why we took help of mapping to make this data dynamic. Now as we have entered our prompt, so for this is processing mode background, I will click on this drop down, and as I want the full response right away, because I want to map it in my next step, that's why I will go with this particular response. Now I will click on this save and send test request button. So here we have successfully received our response, and in here you can see I have received this particular blog title and blog content. Now I can map these details in my next step. So for my next step, as I want to post this blog online, and for that I will use Blogger. So I will again click on this plus button, and here I will search for this Blogger by Google, and then I will select it from here. Next, for this application event, as I want to create a post, that's why I will click on this create a post, and then to connect Blogger with Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this connect button. Then again you will get these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. This time also I will go with this add new connection, because I want to show you how to create a connection between Blogger and Pabbly Connect. Now I will click on this sign in with Google button, and on the left side here you will see that Pabbly Connect has detected our Google account. So I will select my Google account from here, and then I will scroll down and click on this continue button as our data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. Here our connection is created successfully. Now for this blog ID, I will click on this drop down and you can see these are all the blog IDs that I have created inside my Blogger application. So you can see these are all the blog IDs. So now I will go back on my Pabbly Connect account, and in here, as I want to create a blog inside this particular my blog ID, that's why I have selected it. Now inside this title, I will map the title that I have received in my previous step. So I will scroll down and you will see that this is our blog title. So I will map it in here, and then for this content also, from this drop down, I will map my content like this. Now for this status, as I want to send this as live, so I will select my status as live, but you can also select the status as draft, or you can also schedule it. So I will select the status as live, and then as this is not a draft, so I will click on this no button. Now if you want, you can also fill these details, but as these are not mandatory, so I will skip this for now, and I will directly click on this save and send test request button. After that, you can see here we have received this response that our blog has been published successfully. So now I will open my Blogger application. I will just refresh this particular page, then you will see that it instantly a blog will get posted here, and here our blog has got posted successfully. How to stay consistent with content creation with the content that I have generated with the help of OpenAI. So here we are done with creating our workflow, and from now onwards, whenever you will add a new row in this particular Google Sheet, then automatically a blog will get posted inside this Blogger application. So this is how you can also create such an amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to use this workflow, then for you I will also add a link of this workflow in the description box, so you can go and automate your blog post right on. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. For more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. Thank you for watching this video.